Hello everyone. How are you? I think you're doing well. Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. Do you like beautiful plants? In this video, I want to show incredibly beautiful and noble plants that love the sun. I think you already guessed what it is. This is my favorite lavender. Lavender is one of the most beautiful perennials. Lavender grows in the countries of the Old World, but is found in Cape Verde and the Canary Islands. It is a very decorative perennial that we use in the garden, landscaping, and also as a source of lavender essential oil. Lavender grows best in dry, well-drained, sandy soils. This plant loves a sunny garden. If you grow lavender, it doesn't require much fertilizer. You cannot use fertilizer at all. The main condition for growing lavender is a lot of sun and good air circulation. Lavender does not like climates with high humidity for lavender. This plant does not like mulching because the mulch can leave moisture around the lavender bush and cause root rot. It is best to plant lavender in sandy or gravel soil. This is how you get great results. I use lavender flower buds to flavor cakes and pastries. Sugar absorbs the aroma of lavender buds best. If you are a tea lover, add a few lavender flowers to black or green tea. This will be a great drink. However, be careful, lavender can cause allergies. I will be planting lavender angustifolia now. I have 4 varieties of this lavender. Look how beautiful it is. The maximum height of lavender bushes is 50 to 60 centimeters or 20 to 23 inches, but there are also quite small plants, from a height of 30 to 40 centimeters or 11 to 16 inches. The width of the plant reaches 30 to 40 centimeters or 11 to 16 inches. Lavender is a sun-loving perennial plant. It is drought-tolerant and very hardy. Lavender flowers are usually seen in July and August. If you find a place in your garden for this plant, lavender will make this corner of the garden very attractive. I hope the video was helpful and interesting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. See you soon.